In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a DigitalOcean account step by step. If you're new to cloud computing or just looking for a reliable platform to host your applications, DigitalOcean is a fantastic choice. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring that you have everything set up seamlessly. To start, open up your web browser and navigate over to digitalocean.com. This is where you'll find the gateway to explore everything DigitalOcean has to offer, from virtual machines to databases and more. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to find the Sign Up button, which you can't miss. It's usually prominently displayed to invite newcomers to join. After clicking Sign Up, you'll be prompted to enter your email addresses and create a password. Make sure that you use an email you frequently check, as DigitalOcean will use it to send you important updates. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure maximum security. Once you've filled out these fields, click on Create Account to move forward. The next step is to verify your email address, an important security measure. Open your inbox and look for an email from DigitalOcean. Sometimes it lands in the spam or promotions folders, so be sure to check there if you don't see it right away. Once you find it, click on the verification link provided in the email to confirm your new account. With your email verified, return to the DigitalOcean site and log back into your account using the credentials you just set up. This will lead you to a page prompting you to add a payment method, as this is required to activate your account. You can choose either a credit or debit card, or if you prefer, PayPal. Adding a payment method is standard practice for most cloud service providers, as it helps manage any billing for resources you decide to use. Once your payment method is set and verified, you'll notice a button that says Get Started. Clicking on this will usher you into your new DigitalOcean account. From here, you'll have access to the main dashboard. This is your hub for creating and managing everything from droplets, which are scalable virtual machines, to databases and websites. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, designed to cater to both beginners and more experienced developers. Congratulations! You've successfully created your DigitalOcean account. Now you're ready to explore the numerous features and capabilities that DigitalOcean offers. Whether you're launching a simple blog, a web application, or a complex infrastructure, you have a robust platform at your fingertips. Happy building!